Hey, what's good? It's your boy Matthew Michael, and in today's video I got a goodie for you guys. Okay, so in today's video I'm going to update y'all on my portfolio today, and I'm going to show y'all a strategy on how y'all can make around 13,000% profit trading options on Robinhood over the course of a year. So be sure to watch the end so that you don't miss out on anything. Alright guys, taking a look at it, my account is up 16.81% today. Guys, as you can see, I don't have much money in my account, so obviously I purchased an option. Let's take a look at the move I made. Okay, so guys, as you can see, I have this $131 put for Disney, which I plan to sell tomorrow. I'm already at 109% profit on it. Hopefully Disney drops some more in the after hours. I'm going to sell it in the morning when it opens. Whether it's going up or not, I'm just taking the profits quick. My greed has taken advantage of me in the past, and that is why my account is where it is today. Y'all wait a moment. I'm going to show y'all a strategy at the end of this video. Keep watching. The stock market did very well today. Stocks across the board, most of them are in the green. So if we take a look at the stocks I hold one share of NEO, guys. I want to be a part of the movement. It wasn't much money, guys. It's a spec stock, and I'm still down 5.22% on it. But guys, I'm holding on to it, and we're gonna see what happens. Apple Hospitality REIT, guys, I get dividends from this stock. I'm trying to be a dividend investor, and right now, on top of getting monthly dividends from this stock, I am also up 3.4% on it. We had a good day today. It's up 1% on the day, so that's what's popping. Then we have Elf Beauty. Today we are up 1.13%. In total, we are up 9.41%. Elf Beauty is doing this thing today. Going on AT&T, we are up again 0.43% today, and then up another 0.18 after hours. AT&T is another dividend stock, so it's gonna keep adding. Alright, then we got Sprint. Hey, that's a free stock we got from Robinhood, so it's all profits here. We're up 1.83% today, and then we are also up 0.55 after hours. So guys, it's looking beautiful. That's my portfolio. I'm sure you guys want to know, what is this strategy? Hey guys, I just want y'all to know, with this strategy you can start with $50, and by the end of the year turn it into $6,500 and not add any money into your portfolio. How do we do this, you ask? From $50 to $6,500, guys, that is a massive return. Do you guys understand that that is a 1,300% return just from trading options on Robinhood over the course of a year? Guys, that is completely, totally, and 100% possible. Let's get into the strategy so I can show y'all exactly how to do that. Guys, if you're going to do this successfully, you're going to have to realize that the stock market, as well as life, is a marathon and not a sprint. So guys, don't try to load the front end and be up just massively in the first few weeks, because that is exactly how you lose all your money, like I did in the past. Guys, trust me, I know, and the reason I make these videos is so y'all don't make the same mistakes that I did. But guys, what I'm going to show y'all, much more controlled way, much easier, and really all you have to do is pick a few good stocks, 5 stocks that you are very knowledgeable about, and just stick on those 5. You don't have to follow the trends, you don't have to see what everyone else is doing, you just have to know the information about your stocks. So with that being said, guys, I am going to show y'all exactly how to do that. Okay, so first, I think it's good to start with an amount, maybe like $50. Maybe if you want more exponential growth, maybe $100. But guys, the 13,000% return that I was talking about, guys, that's without adding money to your portfolio. So imagine if you're adding money. I personally recommend that if you're going to do this, use this method, and you want to trade stocks as well, buy stocks, maybe put in another portfolio, so you have one for trading option and another just for purchasing stocks and holding stocks. I personally recommend not adding money to this, just so you don't go out of control and not realize that you're losing money. So guys, the way this works is you're simply just going to set a goal of gaining 10% on the week of options, and then after that, just leave it alone for the week. And that is absolutely important. Guys, you can't get greedy on this, because that is how you lose your money. That's how I lost my money, guys, and I just don't want that for you guys. This channel is here so you guys can learn from my mistakes. So guys, after you get that 10%, let it sit. I'm going to pull up a screenshot in a moment so you guys can see the growth that happens from week to week. It kind of starts off slow, but then it begins to snowball exponentially. So patience is important for this method. So taking a look at the screenshot, you'll see that the portfolio balance starts to snowball in an upward fashion after the 30th week. Guys, I know that's a long time to spend building it, but if you grow 10% each week for a year, you're up 13,000%. Just imagine you've done that for a whole year and you get another 10% the next year. Guys, if you continue to go on with this past a year, pretty soon you won't have to work it all. Okay, and guys, I want you to realize that 10% a week is only about 2% a day. At 2% a day, trading options, that is very easily possible. 10% a week, 2% a day. Some days you'll get more than that, some days you get less. If you wake up and your gains is above 10%, guys, cut it right there for the week and just relax. You have the whole week to relax and spend your own time. Don't get greedy in this game. You know, wealth takes time to build, and once it's there, once it's built, you have the knowledge to build it. It takes patience and knowledge, guys. In that jumbled mess of what I just said, I gave you everything that you need to know to grow your portfolio 13,000% over the next 52 weeks. So with all this being said, guys, I am going to be doing a 52-week growth challenge. I'm going to be targeting 10% a week and 2% each day. While I may not hit 2% each day, trading options, I definitely know 10% a week is possible. I want y'all to see that this is possible, and I would love for y'all to try to do this with me. Part of the reason that I had the success at the beginning and I fell to the bottom is, guys, I had no goals. So guys, I was directionless. I didn't know what to do, so I was just trying to get as much money as I can, and I let greed get the best of me, guys. This time 10% a week. It's gonna start off slow, but it's gonna snowball massively later on. Guys, I would love for you guys to join this challenge with me. Guys, if you're gonna do the challenge with me, leave a comment down below saying I'm in, just so I know that, hey, y'all are out there rocking with me. Maybe hop in the Discord group chat message. It's kind of been dead for the past few weeks, but guys, now that we have some direction for that, I believe that we can get it back up and going. And guys, I would just love to have a community where we can grow and help each other and encourage each other to be all that we can be. Guys, now that I have set these goals, I know what I want to do and I know what I need to do to get there. So set simply, my goal is 10% a week, and that'll end up getting us a 13,000% return on the year. Yeah, so guys, I just want to do a quick run through of the things I talked about in this video and what we need to do to be successful at it. Okay guys, so the first point that's important is, guys, the stock market is a marathon, not a sprint. So while you could wake up one morning and be up 500%, that's great. Sell it. Don't mess with it for the week. If you're up 500% on one week, guys, that is an amazing boost. If you just go for 10% the next week, guys, that accelerates you so much more in that chase to getting the 13,000% for the 52-week challenge. But guys, don't be greedy. Just cut it. Cut it at 10%. If it's up in the morning, it's above 10%, cut it, guys. Your portfolio's up 10% on the week, cut it. All right, the next point, guys, stay disciplined. It is important to stay disciplined. 10% a week, that is 2% average of your portfolio a day. Guys, stick to the discipline, and you don't need to make any crazy strides. The more risk you take, the more likely you're going to crash and burn. So guys, what this video is introducing is a way to make massive gains and reduce the risk massively while doing it. So guys, just be patient, and that will do you well. And that is the third key. Be patient. It'll do you well. Be patient. It'll come. It'll come. I realized that I've been trading for 6.5 months on this channel now, guys, and if I would have been doing this at the amount that I did have, guys, my portfolio would be through the roof right now. I would be at 5 digits, guys, but hey, we're gonna make the most of what we have. The fourth point is pick a few key companies, be knowledgeable about them, and just make plays on those. You think it's going up, it's going up. You think it's going down, get a put. If you think it's gonna stay, get some type of spread. Just do what it takes to grow your 10% each week, and after you get your 10%, cut it there. And guys, this is where we wrap it all up right here. Guys, I assure you, if you do all these things, 2% a day, 10% a week, don't get greedy, pick your key companies, be patient. Guys, I assure you, you will hit that 13,000% on the year, going from $50 to $6,500 over 52 weeks. Guys, for those of you who don't have money, that is great. I personally believe it's important to start with a little money so that you're able to learn how to better control money. It's easier starting with a lot of money to make big moves and big gains, but with a lot of money, you play more risk. So guys, learn to manage little money so you can slowly learn to manage larger money. Guys, I want to thank you so much for watching this video. If you like the content in this video, be sure to give this video a big thumbs up. And guys, if you are new here to this channel and you haven't subscribed, what are you doing? I post a new video every Saturday and I would love to have you as part of the family. And be sure to hit the bell notification icon so that you don't miss any future content or giveaways, guys. If you're down for this challenge, guys, meet me down below in the comments. Comment I'm in, and just let me know that you're down, and maybe hop in the Discord and just introduce yourself. It's kind of been dead the past few weeks, but guys, I want to bring that back because we actually have some direction for it now. Thank you guys so much for watching. I look forward to seeing you in the next video, and peace.